Welcome to the ESET tutorials for home users and small offices. Today, we'll show you how to activate identity protection, available with your ESET Home Security Ultimate subscription. Let's get started. It's super easy. Log in to your ESET Home account at home.eset.com or open the identity protection tile available under your ESET security application, which will take you directly to ESET Home. Once logged in, click Members. Only the subscription owner can activate identity protection. Choose the account owner. Now, select Identity Protection and click Add Protection. Next, choose a subscription and then click Activate. You will then receive an activation email containing a link to a web portal. There, you will create a new account for your identity protection. Please note that this registration is separate from the one in ESET Home. Fill in the necessary information. Verify your social security number, and you're good to go. To make the most of your protection, set up additional fields for dark web monitoring and add your social media accounts in the Identity Vault section. Once everything is set up, we will notify you if we find anything suspicious or that needs your attention. That's it, you are now protected. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for choosing ESET Home Security.
When technology enables progress, ESET is here to protect it. ESET Cybersecurity. Progress protected.